Alright, y'all, so I just washed the wig and I'm about to show y'all how it looks. It's nice and straight, super soft now after I can comb out all them nips and revamp the wig because it was horrible. So yeah, so now we're about to install her and continue with this video. Alright, y'all, so I was gonna do a look and all of that. We might save that look for tomorrow. I think I have too many tricks. Like, honestly, y'all, good hair, it can always be good hair. Bad hair is bad hair. This is okay hair. It's kind of, the curly hair I told y'all I didn't like in my previous videos, so I really don't care for this curly hair. And yeah, it's just keep getting matted in the middle. But I also used a lot of tricks, like, well, in the back I also used a lot of tricks. Like, I used all 3 bundles and with a frontal, so it's super thick back there and it just keep getting netted. After my full lace finished drying, I am going to sew the back of my wig down. Hey loves. Alright, so listen real quick. So y'all seen the other day I had did the wig install and I did not finish the makeup or nothing. Like, I just installed the wig. It been in the bun ever since, you know. But I just got finished washing my face with my Fenty cleanser and I'm about to go with my fat water. And this might be too much. Yeah, my face, my cheeks just been breaking out so bad. Oh, so I'm not doing nothing but putting on my Fenty stuff for my face so I can get control over what's happening. Right now I'm going with the Fenty Skin serum and screen. It is snowing, y'all. It's snowing today. And I wanted to tell y'all, I didn't do the photo shoot. This is 2 days later, so I did my hair on Wednesday. Yesterday was Thursday, now it's Friday. Because I was waiting until Friday so me and Marcus can do one together. Because if y'all don't know, now y'all know. Little Prince's birthday tomorrow. And he will be 11, y'all. I real life have an 11-year-old, like. So his birthday is tomorrow. I've been getting ready for that. I bought his laptop. And we're getting ready for a little party or whatever. He getting a little shindig or whatever. I'm gonna put my hair in up half. I think I would do half up, half down. Or I might just do a whole bun. It needs to be wet some more. I need to get me a spray bottle while I'm out. But y'all already know how I feel about this curly hair. Like, it's just not. Excuse me, kids. Sis still didn't fuck her baby ears. I'm thinking about if I want to put on my Uggs or if I want to put on my Fashion Nova pink shoes. Because I got on my white Fashion Nova hoodie with a crop top from Hollister. And I'm thinking about putting on my Fashion Nova pink sneaker boots. Because they like this thick and it's snowing outside. And then y'all know I got my little scrunchie. Got my little watch. I've been wearing this new chain. Peace and blessings and protection. Like... Say outside just to come play in the snow. So y'all, it's Marcus' birthday. Marcus, you want to say hi? You going in the snow, Marcus?
Alright.
Marcus, you want to come say hi?
I said yeah. Hi guys. I just turned 11 today.
He just turned 11 today. You better pop that collar.
You can talk about it.
So y'all, so we're having a little shindig or whatever. Happy birthday, Marcus. I got my pineapple right there. We're gonna have some tacos.
Welcome to little kids.
We got little Kizabis. Hey little Kizby. Hey Kizbys. Hey Kizbys. Ah. She's so hyped. So we're gonna have a little sport night shindig party for Marcus. Something small. Because y'all know it's still COVID. Don't nobody got time to be playing no games. Y'all see I did my face. I did my baby hairs today. Slight work. Oh, I'm about to be in here pigging out for real.
All about the element of surprise. From surprising style to surprising.
Alright, so yeah, I just wanted to check in with y'all because I told y'all I was going to do another video.
Can't be rivaled. Uncover big name brands with low price tags.
And I'll check in again when everybody starts to come and we get this party started.
There really is.
And I'll see y'all in a little bit.
Come find your new favorite store.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Marcus. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Marcus. Make a wish.
No, make your wish.
Come on, man. Oh my goodness.
Open them lungs.
Yeah, I wish you would blow it out.
Is they trick candles?
Yay. Alright, y'all, so I am back, but I am ending this video. It's officially over. Marcus went and stayed the night over my cousin's house, so that's it on that. He enjoyed his birthday. We had fun and a lot of tacos and just chilled and vibed. Kids is big there acting crazy. Like, what are you doing? Get. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that post notification button so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure y'all subscribe because we got a whole lot of coming up, baby. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. I'm so tired. I'm just over the whole day. I just want to go to bed, wash my face and go to bed.